Hey, Stephen Becky here, Active Health Performance Therapy. We're here today to talk to you about some common complaints we hear from runners. One of the most common complaints we hear is lower back pain, as well as knee pain. People say that they get out running, after a few miles, they start having these different discomforts. One of the major causes of this is decreased hip extension. We do things where our hips get tight, and if we can't extend our hip enough, our lower back and knee has to make up for that, which can cause injury and pain. So the first thing we're going to go over is a great hip flexor stretch that you should be trying for that. So Becky's going to get into position. We're going to put a pad down for her knee. And what she's going to do is put her foot up on the chair and her knee down on the pad. In this position, she wants to try to sit up as high as she can and force that hip forward. One great way to do that is to squeeze your bottom together, and that will kind of thrust that hip forward. Anytime you're stretching, you want to think about holding it for about 30 seconds. If we stretch quick in short times, we don't get a lot out of it. So maintain this position. Some people have difficulty with it. You can put a chair or whatever in the front to hold on to hold yourself up. So that's called the couch stretch, a great stretch for your tight hip flexors so that we get full extension, decreased discomfort on the back and the knee while we're running. The next thing we want to talk to you about is a hip strengthening exercise. So we're going to move this stuff, and a wall is a great place to do this. So if you have a wall that you can get to, you want to slide all the way back against the wall so you can't cheat. And what Becky's going to do is she's going to lift this leg straight up and down. Keep it back against the wall. It gives you a little bit more resistance. One common mistake people make with this is they turn their foot up. When we turn our foot up, we start using our thigh muscles rather than the hip muscle that we want. Why is it important to have good, strong hip abductors? They're a stabilizing muscle for when you're running, walking, doing things through the day. Repeat this exercise 15-20 times, 2 to 3 times a day. It'll help keep your hips strong. That's all for now. Steve and Becky, bye.